My name is Anotha Jipkoge. I come from Kenya. I am currently studying welding and fabrication here at STAC, vocational training.
I'm Ruth Cheboy, a Kenyan student here in Finland, studying diploma in food service in TAC.
My name is Geoffrey Kangsur Limareng. I'm from Kenya, Eldoret. I'm studying practical nursing here in TAC.
I like doing things physically, so welding gives me that opportunity to practice it, doing it by practicing it in the workshop.
I like what I study because I've always had passion in food. I love cooking, it's my passion, because we all know that we require food in our daily lives because food gives us energy, and for us to be really healthy, we have to take enough food, and we should always take good food. It's not just like any food, it's called balanced diets.
My mother took me to hospital, and there was this nice nurse, She was handling me nicely, taking care of me, and I almost felt better and before even giving me the medicine or injection. From then, I started liking it.
I chose to come to study in Finland, firstly because it has a great educational system, and the country is safe, especially me as a woman. I feel safe here, and also to explore and to interact with people from different cultures.
I chose to come to Finland because Finland has the best system of education in the world. After I did my background search, when I was looking for a country where I can go and further my studies, and Finland has the best hospitality industry because it has a lot of food courses. Two, there is a lot of hospitality industries, like there are so many hotels, we have several restaurants, and we also have institutional kitchens because in every institution you will find that basically in Finland, almost every institution has a kitchen for their students, and basically it's the best thing that any country can have.
The classes are so spacious. Yeah, they have a best equipment like projectors, writing materials. They are available for you. You'll never lack anything to use in learning. Teachers are always there to help individual students, and you're free to talk out your fears and say, I don't understand, and they are able to help.
I had one greatest fear about coming to Finland, and that was the weather. I think the worry was the winter part because it's really cold, below 0 degrees. Personally, I've never had to experience something below 17 degrees. I think I over-worried about the situation. It was not as worse as I thought. Actually, it was fun. I had an opportunity to go ice swimming, which is one of my favorite activity at the moment. I had also an opportunity to go ice fishing. Yeah, and it was fun.
Yeah, there are several things that I was worried about. Discrimination, I feared maybe there will be discrimination here about my skin color, but I didn't find it what I was worried about. Here in Finland, people are friendly, as I told you, and you can easily ask someone for help. The younger generation, these guys know English, good English, yeah. I'm learning Finnish language. It's one of the subjects that we learn here, yeah.
Yes, I would recommend TAC to other students, especially from there where I come from Africa, because in terms of the education system, Africa you can't compare to here in Europe. So I can always encourage anyone who wants to come, let them come because it's the best place to be in.
Guys out there, if you're planning to come and study here in Finland, get up and come. So it's the best place to study.